I had been sick some years ago and I was just feeling incredibly stressed and not enjoying my work. And I actually started seeing a stress doctor. He was very concerned. And I didn't know what to do because even though I was following the program he gave me, I wasn't really getting better. When I first found out about Time Genius, I was actually really thrilled. I thought, this is just the thing I've been praying for. I got that if I want to improve my health, I have to put that first. I started exercising more, becoming more aware of my diet, and all these kind of ripple effects. What I really noticed was how my nervous system started to calm down. I went to see my doctor right after having completed Time Genius. My stress levels were reduced by 40%. One of the main things I take from doing Time Genius is joy and hope. I've started being more social, setting time aside for that, setting time aside for a walk in the park in the middle of my work day where I would usually be completely stressed out and trying to respond to emails 36 times per day. It's happiness, right? And it's such a simple way, but it's a practice of happiness that I love so much.